If you wake up with a dry mouth, your body is trying to tell you something. You get up in the morning and the first thing you notice is that your mouth feels parched, like your tongue is stuck to the roof of your mouth, as if there's no moisture left inside. You might think, okay, I'll just drink some water and that'll fix it. But it's not quite that simple. That dry mouth feeling every morning is there for a reason. I'm Dr. Daniel Carter, and today I'll show you why it happens and share a very simple trick using water and a tiny pinch of salt that can change that sensation starting from the very first morning. Stick around, because I'm also going to tell you something most people don't know. There's one thing many people do at night without realizing it, and that's exactly what's drying out your mouth. The very first thing you should do when you get up, before coffee, before checking your phone, is this. Take a glass of water that's not cold, lukewarm, about the temperature of bath water, and add a small pinch of sea salt. Just a tiny amount, what fits between your thumb and index finger, no more. Stir it with a spoon and drink the entire glass within the first 5 minutes of being awake. You can even add a squeeze of lemon if you like. That's it. 1 glass, 1 pinch, 5 minutes. Now, here's where most people go wrong, and it's important you know this, because these mistakes are why the dry mouth keeps coming back morning after morning. Mistake number 1. Drinking cold water right after waking up. When the water is cold, your body resists it a bit. The stomach tightens and it doesn't absorb as well. Lukewarm water goes in gently, and your body accepts it much better. That makes a big difference. Mistake number 2. Using regular table salt. Table salt is basically just sodium. Sea salt has sodium too, but it also contains other trace minerals your body needs. If you use plain table salt, it won't work the same way. Sea salt is the key. Mistake number 3, and the most important one, thinking the only reason is that you're not drinking enough water during the day. That could be part of it, sure, but most people who wake up with dry mouth have something else happening at night. We'll get to that in a moment. If you wake up with that dry mouth feeling every day, this video is for you. Give it a like, and if you know someone else dealing with this, send them the video so more people can benefit. This is information everyone should have. So, why does your mouth get so dry in the morning? I'll explain it simply. During the night, your body slows down and naturally produces less saliva than it does during the day. That's normal. But in some people, saliva production drops way too much, and that's when you get that parched feeling. Why does it happen more for some people than others? 2 main reasons. First, minerals. When your body is low on certain minerals, things like sodium, potassium, and magnesium, saliva doesn't get produced properly. It's like a faucet with low water pressure. It just doesn't flow well. Second reason, and this is the one most people don't realize, mouth breathing during the night. A lot of people sleep with their mouth open without knowing it. When you breathe through your mouth all night, the air dries everything out inside, like running an air conditioner nonstop inside your mouth. That's why the lukewarm water with sea salt works so well. It quickly restores the minerals you lost overnight, and those minerals give your saliva what it needs to start working normally again. Here are the connected benefits you'll notice. Benefit number 1. The dry mouth feeling upon waking starts to fade. You don't have to wait a week. Many people feel a difference by the 2nd or 3rd day. Benefit number 2. Better taste in your mouth in the morning. A dry mouth often leaves a strange, bitter taste. When saliva flows properly again, that usually improves, and the lukewarm salted water helps kickstart it right away. Benefit number 3. Less thirst during the day. If you feel thirsty all the time and plain water doesn't seem to satisfy you, the issue might not be the amount of water, but the quality of hydration. A pinch of sea salt helps your body hold on to and use the water you drink more effectively. Now, the full protocol. Let's be precise. For the next 10 days, do this. Days 1, 2, 3. First thing, every morning, drink a full glass of lukewarm water with a small pinch of sea salt. Add the juice of half or 1 lemon if you want. Drink it all, don't leave half. Days 4 and 5, if you notice your mouth isn't as dry anymore, add one more step before bed. Drink half a glass of plain lukewarm water, no salt this time. This helps prepare your mouth for the night. Days 6 to 10, keep both steps, salted water in the morning, plain lukewarm water before bed. Check in. Has the dryness decreased? Has the morning taste improved? One more thing. If you know you sleep with your mouth open, or if someone has told you that you do, there's a simple trick that can help. We'll cover it in the next video. Before you go, a quick warning and a bonus. Dry mouth can have simple causes like the ones we've covered today, but if the feeling doesn't improve after 2 to 3 weeks of following this protocol, or if your mouth feels dry all day long, not just mornings, please check in with a trusted healthcare professional. Sometimes there are other causes that need more attention. Also, if you're taking any medications, especially ones for high blood pressure or diuretics, be aware that dry mouth can be a side effect. Don't stop any medication without talking to your doctor. This is just something worth knowing. And here's the bonus. If you're already doing the morning salted water and want to learn how to stop mouth breathing at night, that will be covered in the next video. That part is important, because if your mouth stays open all night, the salted water will help, but it won't fully solve the problem. So make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for staying until the end. Remember, 1 glass, 1 pinch of salt. That's it. Give it a try. It can make a real difference. Let me know in the comments how it goes for you. See you in the next video.